Welcome to Investing Iguana, your trusted source for uncovering hidden investment treasures in Singapore. Today, we embark on a journey into the world of IREIT Global, an exceptional real estate investment trust that holds exciting prospects for investors in the heart of the Lion City. 1. Singapore's Trailblazer in European real estate. As Singapore's pioneering European-focused real estate investment trust, IREIT Global stands at the forefront of international property investment since its notable inception on the 13th of August, 2014. With a strategic vision honed on acquiring and managing a lucrative spread of income-generating assets across Europe, IREIT has cultivated a robust portfolio that resonates with the discerning investor in Singapore. This portfolio is a testament to diversity and strategic positioning, encompassing 5 sterling office estates in Germany's robust markets, 5 prime office locations in the dynamic urban landscapes of Spain, and a collection of 27 retail havens in France's bustling consumer districts. Covering a sprawling total lettable expanse of roughly 384,000 square meters, these properties not only exemplify freehold excellence but are also pivotal in sectors critical to European commerce, office, retail, and the industrious realms of logistics. IREIT's assets boast an impressive occupancy rate hovering around 88.3%, a clear indicator of their strategic selections and management acumen. At the heart of IREIT's operations is the impressive valuation of these European gems, which stands at an estimated €950.5 million. This figure is not just a number, it's a reflection of IREIT's commitment to delivering sustainable value to its stakeholders and fortifying Singapore's position in the global real estate market. Through such international ventures, Singaporean investors get to partake in the vibrancy of European economic spaces, right from the comfort of home. 2. Diverse property portfolio. This strategic diversification in their portfolio is designed to offer stability and resilience against fluctuating market conditions, which is particularly pertinent in a dynamic market like Singapore's. The diversification strategy allows investors to gain exposure to different segments of the real estate market through IREIT Global's investment platform. By holding a variety of property types in different locations, IREIT Global aims to reduce risks associated with market volatility. Investors benefit by having a stake in a portfolio that is not overly reliant on any single property type or geographic location. This is a crucial consideration for Singapore-based investors, given the city-state's limited size and the competitive nature of its property markets. The diverse nature of IREIT's portfolio, with a total of 99 tenants, indicates a wide-ranging tenant base, which further contributes to the stability of the investment since the risk is spread across many different businesses and sectors. 3. Strategic locations. For instance, IREIT Global has expanded its portfolio by acquiring a French retail portfolio from B&M, comprising 17 fully occupied sites which account for a substantial percentage of B&M stores in France. These properties boast a long weighted average lease expiry, WALE, indicating stable long-term rental income potential. Additionally, a significant deal was struck to buy a portfolio of 27 retail properties in France from Decathlon, a well-known sporting goods retailer, further emphasizing their strategic presence in prime retail locations. A specific example of their strategic property locations is the Darmstadt campus, situated in a prime office location within a commercial zone in Europe. This property benefits from being at the gateway to Europaviertel and enjoys excellent connectivity to public transportation, with the main train station being just a short walk away. In simple English, investing in IREIT Global means putting money into a company that owns a variety of buildings in Europe that are used for work, shopping, and industry. These buildings are in places where a lot of people go for business and shopping, which means they are likely to be rented out consistently and could increase in value over time. The company is from Singapore but owns properties in Europe, including shops that are rented out to a big store chain in France and offices in a busy business area. 4. Trustworthy Management. Trust is the cornerstone of any successful real estate investment, and IREIT Global prides itself on delivering just that. At the helm of this trust is a seasoned and highly competent management team. These industry veterans bring with them a proven track record of success, ensuring that IREIT Global is guided by experienced hands capable of navigating the complexities of the real estate market with precision and foresight. IREIT Global is indeed managed by a highly competent team. The management team of IREIT Global is led by Mr. Louis Destienne-Dorves, who serves as the Chief Executive Officer, and Ms. Chua Tai Hua, who is the Chief Financial Officer. As the Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Destienne-Dorves is responsible for planning and implementing IREIT's investment strategy, the overall day-to-day management and operations of IREIT, as well as working with the manager's investment, asset management, financial, legal, and compliance personnel in meeting IREIT's strategic investment. IREIT Global is managed by IREIT Global Group Pte. Limited, which is jointly owned by Taikhaw Capital and City Developments Limited, CDL. Taikhaw Capital is a global alternative asset management group listed in France, while CDL is a leading global real estate company listed in Singapore. This experienced management team, along with the strategic backing of Taikhaw Capital and CDL, ensures that IREIT Global is well-positioned to navigate the complexities of the real estate market and deliver value to its investors. 5. Consistent rental income. IREIT Global offers a sense of financial security to those who invest for income, like receiving rent. This happens because they have agreements that last a long time with reliable tenants. For instance, their main tenant at the Berlin campus has agreed to stay longer, until the end of 2024, and will pay even more rent, about 45% more. This Berlin campus is very important because it brings in nearly a quarter of IREIT Global's rent money every year. They also have a new 15-year lease with a German government agency at the Darmstadt campus, which shows they can keep making money from rent for a long time. And for a big retail portfolio in France, they have tenants staying for an average of almost 7 years, which also helps make sure they get a steady flow of rent money. What's more, even though IREIT Global has borrowed money, they've been careful to fix the interest rates they pay back, which helps them manage their money well over time. However, they're prepared for the costs to go up a little if they need to borrow more for big projects or day-to-day expenses. This careful planning means investors can count on getting regular rent money, which can help them reach their money goals and feel more secure about their future. 6. Active portfolio enhancement. IREIT Global is actively managed by a team that doesn't just passively watch its investments. They are always looking for ways to make their portfolio better. This could be by buying new properties, fixing up ones they already have, or doing things that make their properties worth more. They do this to stay competitive and to keep up with the changing real estate market. In 2021, despite the challenges of the pandemic, IREIT Global managed to achieve a lot. They bought a retail portfolio in France and an office building in Spain. They also raised funds to pay for these purchases and were able to lease out a lot of their properties. They plan to keep investing and changing their portfolio to include different types of assets and ways to make money. They will use the strengths of their joint sponsors, Taikhaw Capital and City Developments Limited, to grow and diversify their business. 7. Transparent reporting. In the investment community, clarity and openness are essential, and IREIT Global stands out for its dedication to these principles. As a real estate investment trust listed on the Singapore Exchange since 2014, IREIT Global has a clear strategy of investing in income-generating properties across Europe, which they share with their investors. They have demonstrated this commitment through consistent publication of comprehensive annual reports since their listing, detailing their financial activities and offering stakeholders a transparent view of the trust's performance. Moreover, IREIT Global provides regular financial updates, such as condensed interim financial statements, which include detailed financial figures and comparisons with previous periods. For instance, they've published their financial statements for the second half and the full year ended December 31, 2022, indicating a transparent approach to keeping stakeholders informed about their financial status. Additionally, investor presentations and meetings are a routine part of their investor relations, offering further insight into the trust's operations, strategies, and growth. This includes presentations of half-year results, extraordinary general meetings, and other significant updates, such as the acquisition of retail properties, which suggests a proactive approach in engaging with their investors and maintaining a two-way communication channel. In simple terms, IREIT Global makes sure that anyone who puts money into the trust knows how their investment is doing. They regularly share detailed reports and updates about their money matters. This helps build a strong trust with the people who invest with them, showing that they are a trustworthy option for putting one's money into. 8. Tax-efficient investment. IREIT Global's investment structure in Singapore is indeed designed to be tax-efficient. The capital distribution component of IREIT Global is considered a return of capital to unit holders for Singapore income tax purposes. This means the amount distributed will reduce the cost base of the unit holders' units. When unit holders who are liable to pay Singapore income tax on profits from the sale of their units decide to sell, the reduced cost base will be used to calculate any taxable gains. This structure can lead to potential tax savings and enhance the overall returns for investors. 9. City Developments Limited as a part owner. City Developments Limited, CDL, has indeed made significant investments in IREIT Global, holding a substantial stake in the company. CDL has acquired a 12.4% stake in IREIT Global, and additionally, it owns 50% of IREIT Global Group Pte. Limited, the manager of the European Property Trust. As of the latest available information, CDL holds 21% of the total issued units in IREIT Global. Regarding CDL's global presence, the company's network spans 143 locations across 28 countries and regions, with a diversified portfolio that includes residential, commercial, and hotel properties. CDL is one of Singapore's largest companies by market capitalization, and its income-stable and geographically diverse portfolio includes a range of residences, offices, hotels, serviced apartments, student accommodations, retail malls, and integrated developments. The company has a history of over 60 years in real estate development, investment, and management. Throughout its history, CDL has developed over 50,000 homes and currently owns approximately 21 million square feet of gross floor area in residential, commercial, and hospitality assets worldwide. Additionally, CDL's wholly owned hotel subsidiary, Millennium and AMP Copthorne Hotels Limited, operates over 150 hotels internationally, with many located in key gateway cities. 10. Investor-friendly approach. IREIT Global fosters an environment that values its investors, demonstrated by their structured and transparent approach to shareholder engagement. The Trust conducts annual general meetings, AGMs, and extraordinary general meetings, EGMs, where investors are invited to participate. The 2023 AGM, for instance, was held on April 25, with provisions for proxy voting, ensuring investors' voices are heard even if they cannot attend in person. The meetings are opportunities for shareholders to ask questions, delve into the Trust's performance, and make informed decisions. This interactive approach cultivates a sense of involvement and community among investors, reinforcing the Trust's commitment to transparency and accountability. For more details on how IREIT Global engages with its investors and the specifics of its AGM and EGM practices, you may visit their investor relations page on their official website. In summary, IREIT Global emerges as a formidable player in Singapore's real estate investment landscape. Its deep-rooted connection with Singapore, diverse and strategically positioned property portfolio, commitment to transparency, and investor-centric approach make it an exceptional choice for savvy investors in the Lion City. If you're looking to unlock the full potential of your investments in Singapore's dynamic real estate market, consider IREIT Global as a worthy addition to your portfolio. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps us to understand what kind of content you want to see more of. And don't forget to subscribe. Here at the Investing Iguana, we're dedicated to helping you navigate your financial journey with confidence and clarity. And guess what? There's plenty more where this came from. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll tackle other interesting financial topics like the best investment strategies, understanding the stock market, and how to make your money work harder for you. As always, we're thrilled to have you as part of our Investing Iguana community. Your support helps us keep producing free content like this. Remember, every like, share, and subscribe goes a long way. Thanks for joining us today. Keep investing, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.